theme. Just keeps on with the the lodge theme. There's a nightstand over there, so that fits snugly, but it does fit. There is it's a kind of a 60 to 70% window that's there, and it would open so you could feel the wind. It would open slightly. And then this wall over here is very big, so there's plenty of space for putting a dresser and a TV if you wanted. Just no problem at all, none at all. I did want to point out too that at least the way they did it, as long as you keep your bed kind of before the board, the frame of the bedroom, you really do have a small space that you can put another stand or kind of teeny desk or stand or something like that. But anyway, it's right here. So I just wanted you to see what it looked like. Okay, let's walk into the bathroom. Oh my goodness. Okay, so again, this is a good dual sink bathroom and huge mirror. This is just oversized. Love it how they're putting the light on the mirror, and that's just very classy and just well done. So lots of cabinet space as well, and so pretty. I just love this, so pretty. So great dual sinks there, and a really nice size shower. There are those stones again that I absolutely am in love with. Those are just beautiful. So that same rustic theme is here. Absolutely love it. It's just saying elegance, it's saying luxury. Here's a walk-in closet that's over here, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. It's got the built-ins. It's similar to the other one that's here too. This just seems maybe a tad bigger, and lots of space to work with here. So very nice. Just absolutely love this. This is really pretty. So here we go. So we're going out of the bathroom, and then we're going back through the bedroom just so you can see it. And okay, so to sum this up, we've got just a beautiful living area. We've got a great balcony that's over here, a very large balcony. We've got an area that you can use with a kitchen table that's by the window, and then they put the sofa in the middle. So this whole space is really large. There's a lot you can do with this space. You've got a beautiful kitchen that's over here. I'm very impressed with the kitchen, and then you've also got more stools that you have here that you can create more space as needed. And then you did have a lot of good storage over here with the wine fridge and things like that. So this is the just final walkthrough. I just wanted you to see it. And then now we're going to check out some wonderful amenities. All right, let's go to the amenities.